Right now, the US government is in the middle of a shutdown. That means many government officials don't have money to operate because Congress hasn't agreed on a budget. During such shutdowns, even soldiers and other government workers might not get paid on time, even though they still have to work. In such situation, something unusual happened. The US Department of Defense, which runs the military, received a surprise donation of 130 million USD from an anonymous person. That means who gave them the money? The Pentagon, the Defense Department's headquarters, confirmed that it got money and said it came from a patriot or someone who loves their country. A spokesperson, Sean Parnell, thanked the donor but also blamed the Democrat, saying that their actions in the Congress were stopping the troops from getting paid. President Donald Trump also spoke up, praising the mystery person as a great gentleman who didn't want any fame. Soon, people began guessing who the donor might be. The names like Elon Musk and George Isaacman, both are the billionaires, came up, but neither confirmed it. However, legal experts say that the government can't legally use the private money to pay their soldiers and their salaries unless the Congress approves it. So, even though the donation sounds generous, it might not casually solve the problem. And in the end, this donation is more a symbolic gesture that shows how serious the situation has become. The government shutdown still continues and the troops still face uncertainty. And the political leaders are in Washington that are blaming each other. So while the 130 million USD helps draw attention to the crisis, it also highlights how politics and law can clash even when someone tries to do something good.